Welcome back to the videos, guys. We hit 1,000 like 2 days ago. That's freaking awesome. Which means we get a real chair. Thanks for that meme, guys. That's pretty great. Anyways, I'm hopping in the S2K. Right now, I'm gonna start it up. She's been sitting for a while. Just gonna get things moving, let her get up to operating temperature, and go from there. She's still been running pretty good ever since we did the head gasket. Haven't had any more issues with that since then, so that's good. Really, I want to talk to you guys about the car. It doesn't seem like many of you are that interested. Would you like us to get rid of this? If not, what do you want to see? I'm kind of to the point where it's just sitting. Yeah, I wanted to build a track car, but if it's not going to help the channel grow, if it's not going to help me grow, if you guys aren't interested in it, then there's no sense in me having it, really. Anyways, now that we've got that taken care of, let her kind of breathe for a bit. I'm headed to Colorado for the next 3 weeks for work, so I will still be posting. You might even get multiple videos a week. I will be posting. Casey and my brother are also going to be posting, and I may or may not see if Justice wants to as well. So that's kind of what's going on. I'm flying out. Actually, I'm driving out. You guys will see that I'm driving out. I'm driving out here in the next 2 days from when I'm filming this video. By the time I post this, I'll probably already be on the road. But I'm headed to Denver. There's quite a bit coming for the GTI. I'm working with a couple companies. I won't say who yet, but when I get back, we will have quite a bit to do to the GTI, so I'm pretty excited for that. I'm gonna go ahead, get the GTI ready for the trip. I got some things to clean out of it. We're gonna do an oil change, and then we're gonna do a slight detail, mostly on the inside, just to make it feel good while I'm doing the road trip. Also, we're gonna get that office chair, but I'm gonna order it online. We'll have it sometime when I get back. That way, I don't buy it and don't get to use it. Of course, I'll get to use it, but maybe you understand what I'm saying? I don't know. I would like to be here to unbox it and to open it and to put it together and be able to edit some videos right when I get back with it. Well, after that quick conversation of the S2000, I decided to post it up for sale, and somebody's already coming to look at it. Yeah, I guess we'll see how that goes. I am gonna go ahead and get started on the oil change. That way we can get it out of the way. Said he's about 15 minutes away, so that gives us time to knock this out, start cleaning it before he shows up. Somebody is currently coming to buy the wheels for the S2K, so I'm gonna go take those off real quick and then get back to the GTI. We're not selling the S2K. Anyways, do you guys want to see anything with the S2K? Do I build it in silence and not post anything? Or what? Just let me know. Just let me know what you guys want. I'm here for you. We're here for you.
Who is?
We are.
Who? What?
For them.
Here for them?
Oh yeah, this is Justice's rental car right now.
It's garbage.
Yeah. Her Mark 8's finally getting fixed, so that's great because it's been hit twice now. After that last accident, she got rear-ended, so she took it in. She's getting everything done all at once. What am I doing? I need to move the SDK. Sorry, my brain goes a million miles a minute. So move the S2K, get the wheels off, and find new wheels for it. Wheels just sold on that. I gotta change the filter because I was waiting on it earlier. I don't know if you noticed in the little compilation of videos I had there. And then I'll probably resume this tomorrow we'll go ahead, we'll detail everything on the inside, because the day after that, I leave. It's gonna be a sad 3 weeks, but it'll be worth it. Well, then we'll come back and we'll have a lot waiting for this car. So subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned, because that'll be some fun stuff going on. This is now all good to go. Go ahead and shut it, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so it's about 7:45, 8 o'clock right now. I'm coming out here to go ahead and get all this done. I do want to spend a little bit of time with Justice and Paisley before I leave. So now we just got to finish cleaning out the car, and we'll be ready to go. Really, I making this video just to say thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers and for sticking with me for the past year. That's been pretty great. I've really enjoyed all the comments. I've enjoyed people reaching out to me with questions or just saying, good job, I enjoy the content, it's helped me. That's awesome. So yeah, that's really what this video is. It's a little all over the place, but I think it's pretty great. So I'm gonna grab the vacuum. I'm gonna grab my detailing stuff. I'll show you what I'll use. Mostly going to be focusing on like the door sills, because they get pretty dirty pretty quick, especially in these cars. Yeah, let's get started. So this is kind of what I'm talking about when I said it gets dirty pretty quick. Just all the road splash up and dirt and stuff that comes off your shoes while you're getting in and out. This side's not so bad. The rear isn't bad. It doesn't get used much except pull Paisley in and out of the car. This side's a little bit worse, but when we first got the car, these black fender, I don't know if you want to call them grommets or shields, they were leaking stuff. Almost like a tarry substance was coming out of them, or glue, weather strip glue, but that would leak and get all on the door sills and on the bottom of the fenders. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna clean it with speed wipe. I use this really just for door sills, and that's pretty much it. Or like with the hatch, I'll clean the hatch with it. Hatch isn't terribly bad right now, but it can definitely get pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna clean everything, I'm gonna reorganize all that garbage, and then spend the rest of the day with the family. So let's get started. I keep saying that, but let's actually get started. Now I just gotta go through, clean the plastics, and we will be all good to go. Clean up some overspray spots I got, but all looking good. I want to thank you guys for watching this mess of a video. If you guys know any cool spots down in Denver, let me know. That's where I'll be for the next 3 weeks. That being said, thank you all again for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot to us, and hopefully you'll continue to watch us and continue to be part of the Octane Media family. So without further ado, that's where I'm going to end this video. Once again, let me know what you want to see with the S2K. It's just sitting. I would love to get started on that. I will catch you next time, which will be on my trip to Denver. So peace out, and I'll see you next week.